Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about switch statement, which is the last control statement in our control statement section. The flowchart of switch statement is here. Switch conditional expression. You can put any expression like I less than is equal to 5 or I. You can assign any value in it. So here is the case or condition 1. If this expression or value will match case 1, then this code of block will be executed. Case condition 1, if this case is true, then statement block executed, and all other cases will be skipped and directly our program move here or control is here. If case condition 1 is false, then this one will be skipped, and case 2 condition 2, if our conditional expression or value is matched with condition 2, then condition is true and statement block executed, which is here. And if condition is false, then our block of code or control will be assigned to the next case, and next case is 3, or you can put any number of cases, any finite number of cases in switch statement. And if the condition is true, the statement of block executed, and if condition is false, then statement block executed, which is the default statement block. If our conditional expression is not matched with any case, then default message or default block of code will be executed, and after that we are out of switch conditional expression. Switch statement is best alternative of if else if statement, and which is some cases more efficient than if else if statement. In switch statement, I repeat once again, conditional expression or conditional value is matched with case value. If conditional value or case value is matched, then the block of code will be executed. Thank you for watching this video.